In this video, we show a hybrid heterogeneous auto-scalable FPGA deployment using Kinaxle technology. We show how an application can be deployed on a cluster of Alveo cards, and then based on the workload, it can automatically scale down to AWS F1 instances in a Kubernetes cluster. Let's see how a local FPGA cluster auto-scales on demand, using the power of AWS F1 instances. Our Kubernetes cluster consists of a single control plane and a node with two FPGAs from the Xilinx Alveo family. Kinaxle FPGA operator is deployed and the FPGAs of that node are discovered, announced, and ready to be used. As an example, we will run two XGBoost parameter tuning trials that could be part of a larger machine learning training experiment. The XGBoost accelerator is available for both Alveo U250 and AWS F1, but not for the Alveo U280. The available bitstreams for these two platforms contain 4 and 2 replicas of the training kernel, respectively. Such diversities are common and allow us to further demonstrate the capabilities of the Kinaxle toolchain. Since Kinaxle abstracts away the FPGA resources, instead of explicitly requesting FPGAs to be allocated for each run, requests for accelerators are automatically processed and translated based on the availability on each node. Initially, requesting 4 com.kinaxle XGBoost exact accelerators results in the allocation of the single Xilinx U250 FPGA, while submitting a second training task with new parameters but the same accelerator requirements leads to a request of 2 Xilinx AWS F1 FPGAs that triggers a scale-up event and a new node from the F1 4X large group is formed. As soon as all node services, including the FPGA operator, are ready, the XGBoost training container can be assigned to the new node. During the runtime, the application is assigned to the node local Kinaxle Coral instance, which serves the application's acceleration task, load balancing them along the FPGAs that the container has requested. In the meantime, the first training task has finished and the related FPGA resources are now free for new tasks. It is important to note that although the two application containers were assigned to different FPGAs platforms, one FPGA with 4 accelerators versus 2 FPGAs with 2 accelerator seats, the application code remained the same, agnostic of the platform diversities. Finally, the AWS nodes are terminated after a period of inactivity. So using Kinaxle Orchestrator, user can automatically scale out their application on the cloud in the same way as any other computing resources. Users can enjoy the benefit of auto-scaling and hybrid deployment, and at the same time enjoy the high performance of the FPGA accelerators. Visit kinaxle.com to learn more on how to deploy your application.